We are heading into the Cucamonga Wash and hopefully into the Cucamonga Wilderness. This is a flood control channel. Up in the, hopefully clouds will move and we'll be able to see Cucamonga Peak up there. It's got some snow on it from the other day. Kind of the idea we're here when we want to hike up above the second set of power lines that are up there. And yeah, should put in 5 miles maybe. So we're gonna go out and have some fun. Get to the bottom here, we turn north, and we follow this road for a while, and then it gets off onto a single track. This always reminds me of the Joe Walsh song. All right, out in the field with the old stone wall. Oh, a little glimpse of the peak peeking through the clouds with some snow on it. These are the settling ponds. So when the water comes down, it flows over one to the other to the next and settles and recharges the groundwater. At least I believe that's how it works. Or it intended to work. There are signs that say no swimming and no rafting. No swimming or rafting. Be a little difficult under the circumstances, don't you think? Somebody's door. If you need a door, I can't tell what it's from. Got some crazy guys in the spillway. You gotta have somebody to stop them. He's contemplating his life and thinking whether it's worth it. Don't do it if you don't want to. Famous last words, right? You can see now we're getting up into the single track. We're, I think that just said a mile in. Moving kind of slow. 22 minutes per mile. But we're stopping, taking video, talking to people. Had one mule, 4 dogs, and 6 people. Pretty cool. Some bees out there. Hopefully they're friendly bees with a bee license. We are there. intention was to have the GoPro on during at least some of the filming, so we could see the new setup. It hits the camera, the mini filters. We went with the ND16 polarized. We'll see what the footage looks like. What this was. Ridge or something? Cucamonga Wash. Heading into Cucamonga Wilderness, or no-fly zone, no fun zone. That's been closed for a long time. I don't know if it's to keep the riffraff out or fires, but need to have access again. Come on, at least by permit or something. So it's the OGAT out in Cucamonga Wash. Got a good flight in on the drone. Tried out the lanyard system. Still can't see the monitor, so we're gonna have to get something for that. And it's kind of cool. It worked out all right. Where was I going with this whole conversation? I don't know. Cucamonga Wash, OGAT. Drone footage coming soon to the OGAT channel. Pretty quiet up here. Few people, bikes, horses, dogs, children. No cats. I haven't seen a cat. Maybe there's a cat. All right, we're going to head out of here, and got about a mile and a half, I guess, walk out. And if we see anything super spectacular, we'll come back and chat. Otherwise, we'll just see you at the OGAT Mobile, the FFR, Ford frickin' Ranger. Love that truck. Good. Rock hard. Gotta keep your eyes open at all times. Oh, on the bike. Some people come down out of this area here.